How's it going all? In this video, we're doing a step-by-step tutorial on how to redeem your I-bonds. We'll also discuss what day to sell in order to earn the most interest. So without further ado, let's dive right in. And starting off, we'll log into our Treasury Direct account. And this is where you'll find government bonds like treasury bills, tips, and savings bonds. To view our current I-bond holdings, click on Savings Bonds under the Primary Account Information. This leads you to this tab here, showcasing every security you currently own. If we scroll down, you'll see a table with Series I Savings Bond. In the past, I put $20,000 in, and you can see here that the investment has grown to almost $22,000. Solid 10% return. I'm pretty happy with it, especially for a cash investment. But to view in detail your current holdings, click on I-bonds and then select Submit. This leads you to a summary page where you'll find every single deposit you've made in the past and what interest rates they're paying right now. Some of these are paying the current 3.38% yield, while the ones I bought back in April last year are paying the previous 6.48% rate. And to find which I-bonds you want to redeem first, I'd follow this table right here. This is a cheat sheet for any I-bonds that you've held for at least 1 year, but not more than 5. And this is because there's a 3-month penalty for early withdrawals, and we want to minimize that penalty as much as possible. So if you bought I-bonds regardless of the year in May or November, you should sell on August 1st, 2023. If you bought in June or December, the ideal date to sell is September 1st. If you bought I-bonds in July or January, the ideal date is October 1st. For August or February, the date is November 1st. For September or March, that day is December 1st. And finally, for I-bonds bought in October or April, the ideal sell date is January 1st of 2024. You'll also notice that it's the first of each month because when you redeem, you'll lose out on all of the accrued interest that month. So for example, it's much better to sell on August 1st compared to August 28th. And the one that I'll redeem is this one I bought back in November 2021 for $250, paying a low 3.38% yield. And going back to the chart, the ideal redemption date is right now or August 1st, 2023. And I'll be honest, while I do like I-bonds for that inflation protection, there are objectively much better options right now. And probably the most popular one is short-term treasury bills that are offering anywhere from 5.4 to 5.5% APY. Of course, I could also invest in the stock market. Really depends on what I'm feeling like. In any case, choose the security that you want to redeem and click on Select. You'll then see this page showing in detail the holding you selected. If that looks good to you, click on Redeem. Here you'll find the redemption request. Please note that the minimum amount to redeem is $25. Down below, you can also choose to redeem the full amount or a partial amount. In this case, I'll redeem the full amount into a destination of my choice. I personally use a Fidelity CMA that pays interest and allows me to buy treasury bills, so I'll pick that. Once you're happy, click on Review. Next, you'll double check your redemption. Be sure that your request redemption amount matches exactly what you wanted. Another really cool thing about Treasury Direct is that they also calculate the total interest that you earned on the I-bond. In my case, I earned $30 of interest. And please note though that the money will be deposited within 2 business days. So if all of that sounds good to you, click on Submit. You'll then see the redemption confirmation page showing that your transaction is now processing. You'll see that the confirmation number will also change from an I for I-bond to an R for redeemed. And the day that the money will appear in your bank account is 2 days from today, or in my case, August 3rd. Shortly after, you'll get an email from Treasury Direct confirming the redemption. And if you look at your current holdings again, you'll see a new status saying pending redemption. So on August 3rd, I should see $280 deposited back into Fidelity. And that's pretty much it. But as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Have a great rest of your day, and take care.